How to upload photos to Google Drive and share the link. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload photos to Google Drive and share them as a link, whether you are organizing your pictures or sharing them with your friends, families, or colleagues. This step-by-step guide will make it super easy. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive. Make sure that you are logged in into your Google account credentials. And once you are in, you will see the Google Drive dashboard where all your files and folders are stored. Uploading photos is super simple. So to do that, click on the new button in the top left corner and select folders. Give your folder a name. It can be anything you like. You will see the new folder appear in your drive. Double click to open it. So once you are inside the folder, click on the new button again and this time select File Upload. And this will let you pick photos or files from your computers. Choose the one that you want to upload. Once you have selected your photos, they will start uploading automatically. Just wait for the upload to finish. And once your photos are uploaded, here is how to share them. You need to simply right click on the folder name and choose the share button. After going to the share button, you will see the two options, share or copy link. You need to simply click on copy link. To make sure everything works, you can test the link by pasting it into the different tab and you will see exactly what others will see when they open the folder. And that's it. You have now uploaded photos to Google Drive and share them like a pro. I hope you found this video insightful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.